Hello guys, today I'll show you how can you set your quora password, because maximum time we actually create account by our Google account, and that's time quora actually automatically create our account and we don't have actually to put our password. So you have to set your password yourself. So I'll show you how can you put your password and set your password. Here, this is the account inside learning, you guys see, and this setting, you have to go setting, and this is actually I automatically created by Google. Here you see Google account. So if I disconnect, this account will be delayed. So if I want to change my password, so I have to pick a password, and there here see I don't have actually password. So what I will do here, actually what they are asking, if you signed up for quora using Facebook or Google, please create an account password. So this part actually I need. I actually create this account by Google account, that's why I need create an account password. Click on create and click on create, and here you see they actually give us instructions by our email address. So go email, and this is the link guys. You have to go this link. I got a question in my comment box. Someone told me they didn't receive email, so you have to change your email address if you didn't receive your email. So here you see the option you can change your password. So I will put my password, new password. This is actually I didn't put previously, so this is my new password actually. Please use a password with at least one lowercase, so that's mean they want a lowercase. Okay, so here we go. So guys, I already update my password. Here you see your password was successfully changed. So if I go here, you see if I log out, all right. So if I want to log in, here you see just I put in my email and I am going to put my password. And here we go. So guys, this is the way how can you set your password and how can you change your password in quora.com. So if you guys have any question, just comment below. I will try to give you answer by my next video. So stay good and stay safe, and thanks for watching.